channel. I am back with another video. It's been a minute since I've done a makeup tutorial on my channel, but I am back. So I decided to go ahead and do this look over because my hair on my giveaway video, I didn't really care for it. So I did want to recreate kind of the same makeup look and then like redo my hair. So that's why I'm redoing this video. And I don't really have too much to say about this video other than go enter into my giveaway. It will be ran through the 15th, so you have a chance to win something. I will clip the video above, so go ahead and enter into that giveaway. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning back to my channel, thanks for coming back to watch my videos. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the notifications turned on, and let's go ahead and get straight into this tutorial. So y'all know I like to have my brows done before I start my video. So what I'm doing now is just setting my eye with a concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I will have the shade that I use down below in the description box. So today I'll be using the Uban Decay Heat palette for my eyeshadow. So I am picking that color that you see there with the heart on it, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this as my transition color. Now using this next shade, I'm going to go ahead and blend this into my crease. So here I'm just applying some concealer. I did want to do like a cut crease, but I have really tiny eyelids. So my crease is like very small, but that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So, and I'm also using the same concealer that I use to set my eyes as well. Using the Warrior by Juvia's, I'm going to be using this shade here, and I'm just going to pat that lightly on to the cut crease that I created. Now using the same shade that I used for my transition color, I'm just going to blend out the rough edges on my eye, and that is where the white meets the other colors, and I just wanted to have like a nice gradient effect. So the next steps of my foundation routine, I do have a video already on my channel, so I will clip that above, but I'm just going to add some moisturizer to my face, and then I'm going to go in with a setting powder, setting spray, and then I'm going to go in with my primer. So this is my first time trying this L'Oreal matte primer, and I can say I'm very satisfied because usually with matte primers, a lot of times the consistency of it is just too thick. At least I noticed that with the NYX mattifying primer. So I actually love this primer. For some reason, I lost the footage, or my camera was not recording when I did my highlighting routine and my contour routine, which sucked because that's like the most important part. That is all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so you're notified when I upload, and I will see y'all in my next video.